Hello and welcome to this new section on staying updated with tools and trends in this course, Master in Business Analytics. So, the purpose of this section is to give you a good view of how to stay updated with the emerging tools and tech trends, right? And we will start talking about, give you a quick overview of what tools and trends should you stay updated. And then in the remaining lectures, we will talk about them, how to stay updated with that. So, how do you think you can stay updated with tools and trends? And what are the tools and trends that you need to stay updated with? First, let's take a look at, and then in the next lecture, we will talk about how. So first thing that you need to stay updated with is the evolving technologies. And there you need to keep up with advancements in areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data technologies. And these technologies are evolving rapidly, and so you need to definitely keep in touch with them. So the second thing you need to stay updated with are cloud and big data platforms. And there you need to gain experience with AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and Hadoop and Spark for large scale analytics. And these are becoming a more and more important as the analytics is gaining ground, going places in terms of the scale. So these are few things you need to stay updated with tools and trends on cloud and big data platforms. Third set of things that are emerging and trending, you need to explore innovations like real-time analytics, real-time data analytics processes, predictive modeling that we have covered a lot already in this course, and natural language processing. So these are the emerging trends that you need to stay updated with to become master in business analytics. So what do we do next? So we dig into now each of these areas, starting with how to keep up with advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data technologies. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on staying updated with tools and trends. I hope you are continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.